Now we are doing two ledger postings simultaneously. The first is purchase goods from Satish rupees 40,000, 10% trade discount received. I never record trade discount in my books of accounts, so my entry will be purchase account debit 40,000 minus 10%, that is 4,000, 36,000 to Satish 36,000. Two accounts which I will open here is purchase account and the other is Satish account. Purchase account debit to Satish account 36,000. Purchase account debit, so write in debit side to Satish account 36,000. See Satish account. In Satish account you can see it is credited, so I will use the credit side. I will write buy. In purchase account Satish account is debited, so in Satish account credit the purchase account by 36,000. Now let's read the 8th entry. Paid to Satish in full settlement of his account rupees 35,000. How much do I actually need to pay Satish? 36,000. Satish account is standing here with 36,000, but I am paying him only 35,000. So the entry will be Satish, since I am paying him, Satish account debit, I am paying him. Satish account was there by 36,000 to cash. How much am I paying him? 35,000. What am I not paying him? 1,000 rupees. So that is my discount received. To discount received. So I have already have two accounts. I have to make two more. That is, one is cash account and the other is discount received account. See, in Satish account you have to debit by 35,000 plus 1,000, 36,000. Satish account debit to cash to discount received. So go to Satish account. Satish account debit to cash 35,000 to discount received 1,000. See, 36,000, 35 plus 1, 36,000. This is done. Now what about the other two accounts? Cash account is credited here. For cash account, take the credit side, and what you have to write here is by Satish account. Satish account. See, give the effect of cash account only and not Satish account. So the cash account balance is 35,000. Pay 35,000. Okay. Now what is credited? Discount received is again credited. See, discount received credit by, what is the debit part? Satish. So here by Satish account. How much? Discount is 1000. So what is the amount for discount? 1000 has to be written here. Don't write the full 36,000 because this amount pertains to Satish, not to discount. Okay. So now we have this purchase account, Satish account, cash account and discount received account.